what I'm attempting to do is to gain a problem in pfglab software and recover from it. And one of the things that kind of hurts it is can be other programs. You might have something running, and it might be some source of interference. Anyways, generally I just look for pfglab, see if that comes on. I'll unplug it. I'll unplug the device. I like to run it on an offline mode and change some things to make sure that I got them changed. I'll vary the square wave, which I think everyone should be doing anyways. I'll close it and then I'll reopen it and make sure that the change took effect. I might click on a couple frequencies to make sure there's no problems. It should remember the port of your machine too, as long as you're not, plugging a P3 into it and then, or P3 Plus or P3 Pro and then plugging in PFG2Z. They'll be under different ports. I'll usually change the USB port if you've got more host, more than one host USB port. Then switch it. It seems to have fixed the software crash. I'm just running it in the offline mode. Sometimes it might not eject the media. Sometimes there might be 25 PFG icons down here if you're running Windows 7. I don't have a Windows 8 system. But that's how I fixed the crash. I changed the USB port it was plugged into after running it in offline mode. Square waves are a lot more friendly. Gosh, I think that should be about it. Task Manager is your big friend with here. Manually unplug it, unplug your device, remove it from the Task Manager, switch USB ports, fire her up again, and it should work fine. You may have to run it in offline mode. It didn't like me unplugging it at first, I'll tell you that. Change it back to defaults. And I'm going to plug it into a different USB port. And after closing it right now, close it, open it up again. It's plugged in. Holy crap, what's going on here? I unplugged it and replugged it into a different port. I'm going to try opening it again. We stopped it, so I assume that I have control again. So that's two different scenarios of it shutting down. I'll switch ports that the PFG or P3 Port Pro is plugged into. Check my task manager a lot. Make sure that when I close the program that it closes out and it's under pfglab exe. You'll hit Control Alt Delete and select Task Manager to pull this up, and Google it if you don't know. Also, I've seen in some systems, you open up the Task Manager and there's 60 things, you know, and you'll have to scroll down to see them all. That's really not necessary. You should look at your system if that's the problem. Make sure it's switching going fine. Yeah, apparently. So I hope this helps. Probably help a lot of people. Fast one.